And we now get to your reports coming in from across the country to how day 4 of the lockdown is being observed.
Essential services needs to be provided. That is what the state government and that is what the central government has stated. And on those lines, this initiative was taken by the West Bengal government as stated by the Chief Minister. As you see, this is a taxi and it is being considered as a taxi emergency service pass. This one has one. This is issued by the Kolkata Police, Kolkata Traffic Police. Now, what exactly is this? This is a vehicle that is sanctioned by the West Bengal government and the Kolkata Traffic Police, so that people who are in the middle of this emergency do not face crisis. This is an initiative taken by the Chief Minister herself, wherein people who are stranded, who are in the middle of a major issue, do not face problems, so that they can travel to a hospital or to provide essential services. This is the reason why this is done. This is being done under the initiative and the guidance of Kolkata Police. Over here in North Kolkata, you can see these taxis that are standing and all of them have that sticker on it. This is being done so that movement of essential services and people who are in the middle of some problem do not face a major issue, and they can be transferred from one area to another. We hope that the count that is increasing throughout the country ends pretty soon, and the major humanitarian crisis that the entire country, the world is facing, ends as well. With camera person Shubhra Ghosh, Suryagni Roy, Republic TV, Kolkata.
The numbers of positive cases in Noida has already crossed 90, but the precautions are being taken, and right now I'm reporting from sector 19 of Noida, and let me give you the sense of the area also. If we talk about the particular area, like the nearby areas, then this is sector 20, this is sector 27, this is sector 28 and sector 8. If we talk about the nearby areas, then these are the containment zone. Sector 19 is, as of now, is not under containment zone, but the other nearby areas and the sectors are already sealed. So seeing the numbers of positive cases, which is being increased in Noida, which has already crossed 90 numbers. And if we talk about the containment zone in Noida, that too has crossed 27. So seeing all these measures being taken by the Noida authority, and at this point in time I'm showing you how the sanitization process is on within the sectors of Noida. And there you can clearly see, including the cars, bikes, boundaries, roads, everything is being sanitized by the Noida authority. So this is something what we are showing you from sector 19 of Noida, as this is very much important to do sanitization. So we are continuously giving you the sense that what exactly is being done by the Noida authority and how the process is on, because this is the mantra. When we talk about the precautions, then sanitization is the mantra, social distancing is the mantra, and to remain at home, use mask is the mantra to fight against coronavirus. So we are giving you the visual from sector 19 and showing you how the precautions are being taken and the measures being followed by the Noida authority.
उत्तर प्रदेश में कोरोना का कहर थमने का नाम नहीं ले रहा है। उत्तर प्रदेश में केसेस दिन पर दिन बढ़ते जा रहे हैं। लखनऊ में आज एकदम से 53 केसेस बढ़ गए हैं और इसी के साथ यूपी का आंकड़ा लगभग 940 के आसपास आ गया है, जिसमें अगर हम जमातियों की बात करेंगे तो इसमें 550 के आसपास जमाती हैं। तो आप इससे अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि उत्तर प्रदेश में जो कोरोना का कहर बरप रहा है उसके लिए मुख्य तौर पर जिम्मेदार कौन है। जैसा कि उत्तर प्रदेश में लॉकडाउन लगाए, इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं लखनऊ के पुराने हाईकोर्ट के करीब और आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर किस तरह से ये जो पौष इलाके की जो रोड्स हैं जहाँ पर चहलकदमी रहती थी, ये इलाकों में गुलजार रहता था, बट आज यहाँ पर एकदम सन्नाटा है। ये पुराने हाई कोर्ट के पास की जगह हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं। यहाँ पर अगर कुछ देखने के लिए बचा है तो वो है पुलिस के बैरिकेड्स और पुलिस बैठी हुई, पुलिस ड्यूटी पर लगी हुई पुलिस और कुछ लिमिटेड व्हीकल, जैसे कि एक बाइक वाला आ रहा है, ये LMC के हैं एक दो व्हीकल्स। पुलिस की जीप सामने से आप देख सकते हैं, पुलिस की जीप सामने से आ रही है। तो आप ये देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर सिर्फ केवल और केवल वो लोग हैं जो पुलिस के अधिकारी हैं या मीडिया से हैं या LMC वर्कर्स हैं, केवल उनको एंट्री है। बाकी यहाँ पर पूरी तरीके से सन्नाटा। तो लखनऊ जो है वो इस लॉकडाउन का पालन करता हुआ नज़र आ रहा है और लखनऊ की जनता अपने अपने घरों में बैठी है और कोरोना वायरस के अगेंस्ट जो है प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स लगातार ले रही है।